Sound of gentle swamp nightlife, crickets, and distant ribbits, Josh. My best bud, I'm drowning in a storm of troubles today. It's heavier than a swamp full of hyacinths. Yo, Richard, don't look like a frog caught by a snapping turtle. Spill it, what's got your eyes popping like that? Remember, bulging eyes aren't the problem. It's a bulging heart that keeps a frog from hopping far. Size, it's the food. Man, those plump, juicy grasshoppers that used to swarm around, poof gone. I used to eat till my belly was round as a lily pad. But now there's barely a bug to flick my tongue at. Eating's my joy. Splash, ribbit. Ribbit, the swamp's my home. Grasshoppers, don't leave me alone. Oh, Josh, Richard. I heard everything. I'm stressed 2 bugs are gone. My tongue's short as a tadpole's tail, and I can't catch a thing. My own froggy wisdom is, a short tongue's not fate, but fate's when you don't practice to make it great. Laughs loudly, Luna. Are you a frog singer or a frog disaster? Richard, you've got a stress buddy now. A hungry belly's no big deal, but a heart scared of hunger makes a frog's tongue quiver. You make it sound so easy. It's not like there's no fix, but I'm stumped. And Luna seems worse off than me. Looking pale, tumbles into the water, arg. My tongue's barely an inch long, I miss mosquitoes and end up stuck to hyacinths. A clumsy frog's life is sadder than a frog bitten by a mosquito. Laugh so hard water splashes. Luna, you're the swamp's diving champ. All right, I'll help you both. First, de-stress frog style. Take a deep breath. Inhale that sweet muddy swamp scent. Count to 4, then exhale, thinking grasshoppers will come. A deep breath doesn't just fill your lungs, it fills a hungry frog with hope. HMM. Feels a bit better. Inhales to hard ack. I sucked in too much water up my nose. Josh. Got any other tricks? Don't tell me to sing ribbits till grasshoppers faint and fall into my mouth. Grinning, you bet. My next piece of wisdom. A stressed frog must hop far farther than its own tongue. Follow me to the secret swamp behind the big boulder. There's a stash of jumbo grasshoppers flying slow like they're begging for a frog's tongue. Secret swamp? Sounds epic. But any herons or snapping turtles lurking? Yeah, Josh, you trying to get us eaten. Cackles, scaredy frogs. A frog scared of herons misses out on jumbo grasshoppers, but a smart frog tricks the heron into going hungry. Hop after me. Scene transition with splashing sounds high. 3 little frogs delivered right to my beak. Tonight, Hank's dining on frog kebabs, screaming arg, a heron. Josh, you jinxed it by mentioning them. Hank, are you a heron or a hunger monster? My tongue's short, but your wings aren't exactly eagle level. Laughing, yo. Hank, hungry. A hungry heron's like a hungry frog. But frogs win cause we can hop. All right, gang. Let's mess with him, shout, to throw him off. Singing ribbit, ribbit. Heron Hank, don't peck frogs. Go munch amok. Grasshoppers, come to us frogs. Hank, go starve somewhere else. Ugh. What's this? Hyacinth tastes like swamp sludge. You frogs are liars. Rolling with laughter, Hank. Are you a heron or a muck muncher? Fooling a heron isn't about frog smarts, it's about heron hunger. A sudden gust of wind, arg. My bugs. What kind of wind ruins a frog's buffet dreams? Pops up with hyacinth on her head. Ack. I fell in again. My short tongue can't fight wind or herons. Ha! Clumsy frogs! I'll peck you all. Trips and splashes into the water, arg. Wet wings! Laughing Hank, are you a heron or a swamp duck? All right, de-stress frog style, Level 2. Shout your troubles away and mess with Hank more. A loud shout doesn't just call grasshoppers, it scares problems away. Yelling grasshoppers, come to us frogs. Hank, go starve elsewhere. Flicks her tiny tongue, oh no. My tongue's stuck to a heron wing. Get off. Frog tongues taste worse than mud. Flaps away pathetically, laughing hysterically, see? A tongue miss can still win by sticking a heron. Now, flick those tongues at those grasshoppers. Munching, yes, tasty perfection. Meh, this mosquito's bland, but I'll take it. Josh, you're a froggy genius. Not done yet. Ultimate frog stress relief. Sing a swamp anthem, ribbit, ribbit. Frog bellies rumble, grasshoppers. Don't make us stumble, singing off-key ribbit, ribbit. Short tongue like me. Catch a mosquito, and I'm free. Hank runs away. I'm full of glee. Ribbit, ribbit. The swamp's our home. With great friends, no heron can roam. A large turtle head emerges, smirking, a snapping turtle. But it's smiling. Josh, you're gonna get us chomped. Cackles, chill. Don't fear the turtle, just hop fast and trick the heron first. Let's race back to the old swamp. Loser licks Hyacinth. You, no way I'm losing, panting Josh. Without you, I'd be moping on a lily pad till my eyes popped, giggling, and I'd still be missing mosquitoes. You're so good at this, don't you ever stress? Winking, oh, I do. Like when you brought your mopey face, Luna brought her off-key songs. And Hank brought his soggy wings to pester me. That's a triple-decker swamp stress sandwich. Laughs my froggy wisdom. A clumsy frog can still shine with awesome frog friends and a loser heron. Final froggy wisdom. Frog life's like a swamp full of grasshoppers, turtles, and herons. Laugh loud, and you'll win it all. Let's go hunt more bugs, gang! Thanks for watching our froggy adventure. If you enjoyed the swamp shenanigans, make sure to hop on that like button and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.